Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today I go to the Xiaomi offline store and I'm going to show you the new Redmi K80 series smartphone, and this is the first time the Redmi used the new VI in the smartphone, and now we have the Redmi K80 Pro, and this time for the K80 Pro to provide black, white, purple and green color, but for the Redmi K80 no purple, so this is a black color. As we can see, the design language is a bit similar to the CV series. Actually, it's not like the Redmi K70 series, but from the back panel you can find that the back panel is divided to mainly to two parts: the shining part with the camera zoom included in this part, and the button is special material. For the black is matted glass, and for the shining green and white and purple is a special texture on the back panel. So this is a black one. So you can see Redmi K80 Pro used a curved back panel. You can hold it and it will not feel so sharp. It's very comfortable. And also this time the can show the dimension of the device. The length 160 and V74, and the thickness is just 8.39, and the weight just 212 grams. And we can also check the more information on the settings part. And the front side 6.67 inch 2K OLED screen and the 2K display resolution. And you can find the big R corner, the very narrow bezel, and also the four sides, left, right, up and down, same narrow bezel, and also support all-range DC brightness adjustment. And this is also a 120Hz refresh rate supported screen, and this display resolution reached to 3200 1440. And also they used a mini punch hole camera for the front side. And for the camera part, for the real cameras is used the triple rear camera system, the 50 megapixel main one, f1.6, and 50 megapixel plus 32 megapixel. For the main one, they used the Samsung GM5, same like the Xiaomi 15. This is a flagship camera lens. Now let's try to test the camera, and I will put some pictures at the end of the video so you can check some pictures quality. Okay, zoom, and this is the front camera, 20 megapixel. And also this time the K80 Pro, they also use the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and this is the latest new and flagship Capcom top processor in market you can buy, and also get AI performance. And if compared to the normal K80, because normal K80 just uses Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, so you can get a better performance, and it's much better for you to use for normal use and meeting or heavy users for smartphone. And another difference between the K80 and 80 Pro is that comes from the battery. This one just get 6000 mAh battery with 12 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging, but the normal K80 just get a big battery, 6500, but just get a 90 watt fast charging. It doesn't support the wireless charging. And also the glass used the Dragon Glass 2.0. Also it get a D1 gaming chip. On the developer D1 gaming chip is much better for the experience. It supports multiple FPS and stable FPS, especially when you run the high refresh rate gaming. And also the Samsung GM5 is much better than the OV50E camera lens. Okay, I will say the price range is just around $150. Is very acceptable and reasonable, and I think most of you can buy the K80 Pro. And also I forgot to mention, this time they used the ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor. Is much better than the normal one as well. And also the durability is also about the IP68, IP69K, 2.5 meters, drop proof and dust proof and waterproof. I would say at the price range to 300 to 500, I think Redmi K80 Pro is truly one of the best choice you can make if you want to buy a decent smartphone in market. And we can enjoy the different colors. So you can check the design language. It's a straight screen. It's a big arc corner, so it can get a better user experience when you hold it for a long time. And also this time the weight is controlled well, not too heavy, especially for small hand users. It's much good, much better, yes, than the big phones. This is the special color, the purple, especially for the K80 Pro model. So here are more pictures, so you can check black, white, purple, and green. Four colors you can choose from it. Choose the best you like. Green color, this is green color. So make a comment, let me know what you like, which color you like best. Here's the sample pictures. Okay, this is a quick hands-on video about the Redmi K80 Pro, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and waiting for more quick action from here. Bye bye.